I think you're all ready with the cycles here. People have joined us here from Konkani, from Prudent, from all corners of Goa who have come here. About 150 participants we are going to have in here. Mr. Bryce present here who is going to lead the cycle rally.
This is something that is very picking up, and basically these type of activities will help us keep going. Our government is committed under our Chief Minister to see that these type of initiatives are taken forward and also work towards creating a better environment and quality of life for our people. But the only thing is, the whole idea that we are trying to mention to the people is, one is creating awareness, one is giving you a solution, and one is also trying to inculcate in a different type of discipline and in our mind that there is no restriction of any kind, even if we have this type of a condition, but we can achieve all these things, but we need to have a better quality of lifestyle